Hi, this is Johnny Pineda, and I'm just covering some of the things that you need to consider when hiring lawyer services in Hoffman Estates. Today I'm covering Miranda rights and how you can invoke that right. Everyone knows them. You have the right to remain silent, you have the right to an attorney, etc., etc. But not many people can actually invoke that right because a lot of people don't have access to an attorney to be able to invoke them in their time of need. What should you? Should you have an attorney for that? Absolutely, but you may not necessarily have the access. P. Diddy even spent, I know that it was in the news that he spent a night in jail because he couldn't get in touch with his attorney in the middle of the night. I would venture to guess that, people like Tiger Woods, Oprah Winfrey, don't have their attorneys sitting at their office 3 a.m. in the morning waiting for their call. It's really comforting to know that as a member of Prepaid Legal Services, we have such access to our attorneys to invoke such rights. It's amazing. It's called Legal Shield. So there's four distinct scenarios, one of which is if you're going to be detained by an officer and it looks like you're going to get arrested. If there's a warrant out for your arrest and they come to your door knocking on it, if they come knocking at your door to take your children away, or if you're involved in a serious accident. I can't get into every one of those scenarios, but it's very comforting to know that if you're in a situation and you're pulled over in the middle of the night, 3 a.m., and it looks like the conversation is going wrong, you could get on the phone right then and there with your attorney, and he or she will either speak for you to that officer or instruct you as to what to say. And that could be the difference between you going to jail that night or not. It's absolutely amazing. So circling back, just want to let you know that about Miranda rights, there is a way to invoke them. There is a way to actually use that right, and it's in a very important time. That you would need an attorney for if you're in a situation where you may be detained by an officer. So anyway, just want to let you know this is Johnny Pineda, and you're now in the loop. Thanks. Hi, Johnny Pineda here. Before you go, just wanted to ask you real quickly if the video you just saw was of use to you and had some value for you. Hopefully it was, and if it did, I have 20 more such videos that can help answer a lot more of the questions that are probably on your mind regarding lawyer services. So go ahead to the website flashing across the screen, lawyerservices.slideedgeblastoff.com, and just sign in, and I'll be sure to send the rest of them off to you. Thanks.